Deploying Flexera agents is an important part of any rollout of the Flexera solution. Whether you're leveraging the IT Visibility or ITAM solutions, Flexera agents can help provide a wealth of information and help fill in gaps in your existing inventory tools. Part of deploying Flexera agents when using a Windows system is leveraging what we call a Bootstrap template file. The Bootstrap template file helps tie agents to a particular beacon to download their initial policy from. Recently, Flexera released capabilities to allow a customer to have multiple beacons listed in a single MGS setup INI or Bootstrap template file. To do this, we're going to first start by downloading that template file. This can be done in a couple different locations in the tool. So we're going to go under Data Collection. The first place is under Inventory Settings if you're using IT Asset Management. We're going to scroll down about 3/4 of the way down the page, and we can see here Inventory Agent for download. We, of course, select the Windows agent we want, and then we would download the bootstrapping template file. Additionally, if I'm an ITV only customer, I can come over to Data Collection, Installers, and here in the bottom Agent section, I can download my Flexera agent, as well as the Bootstrap template file. Once that file's downloaded, I'm going to open it in an editor of my choice, such as Notepad. And this Bootstrap template file is the configuration steps for the agent. So a few things you're going to want to do. Any line that I want to use in this file, I'm going to uncomment or remove the semicolon. So for example, install machine policy, as well as the one we're talking about today, deploy server URL. So the deploy server URL tells it what beacons to download the agent from. And if I want to have multiple beacons set up here, it's fairly simple. I can come in here. This is my first beacon. So we're going to replace deployment server with beacon1.flexera.com. And then I can actually list my second beacon, http://beacon2.flexera.com/managesoftdl. And so on and so forth by adding a semicolon between each line. What this will do is have the agent during policy download try to download from each individual deploy server URL that you've listed. This can help if there's intermittent firewall issues or an employee may be offline, for example, and you want a internet-facing beacon. Once that's done, the agent will then begin to check in on a normal basis and use the standard auto connection rubrics. I hope this video helped explain to you a little bit more about having multiple deployment servers for a single agent configuration file. Thank you for your time.